Hello, you lovely lot. Oh, yeah. So, Tiguan. Saying this loads, and this ain't just Tiguan, I'm just going to show you on a Tiguan. This is loads easier, and this one's doing it. So, these little start-stop buttons are shit, and that's the best way to put them. They're awful. Obviously, they're all right when they're newish, but as they were, they get harder and harder. Try and get everything in at the same time. Look, I'm banging away at that. Note what's happening. That's the customer complaint right there. And if you twat it hard, there you go, look. It'll work. But just normal pressing, absolutely nada. Happens quite often. Now, there was a point where these were on like a stupid back order and people were wiring in some weird and wonderful things. However, they're not now. It's all good. We can get hold of them. So, I'm going to put it to the customer that we'll probably need to do one of them. So every so often, as you can see, that's why I've got the camera so far back, it'll work. And if I hit it hard, it'll really work. Yeah. No good. So, guys, dead easy one. If your button's doing this, there's no software update. There's no grey area. Button fucked. Have a lovely day. Love you. Bye.